Hey, hello guys. Today we learn on how to install Jenkins on macOS through macOS terminal and accessible on localhost 8080. So first we need to search install Jenkins on Mac, and we can click on the second tab, and here is the step that we need to follow to install the Jenkins. So we click on the terminal, and first there is a prerequisite to install the Jenkins. So first we need to have the Java installed, so we can check the Java version. So yeah, here is the Java installed, so we can check on our terminal that if Java is installed or not. If that or not installed, then we need to install the Java first, because the Jenkins need the Java version to be installed on our Mac. So yeah, so to install that we need to, so here is the step, that sample commands there. We install Jenkins LTS, that is latest version. So he, you know, that is the brew is the package manager for macOS. So yeah, that also we need to have that. This is the homebrew packages. If we don't have the package manager install, that is the homebrew, then we need to install that using this link. This is the command to install the homebrew. So I have already installed that, so we don't need to worry that. So let's go ahead. So we need to copy it and paste it on the terminal. So it's installing the Jenkins packages. uh, okay, wait a minute to install it, and meanwhile we can run the second command, that is start the service. So we install the latest version of the Jenkins, and we need to start the Jenkins service using this command. Okay, we need to wait some time. This is downloading the files. Okay. So we can, after starting the Jenkins service, we can browse to this link, and this is the, so this is that this site can be reached. So anything is not working here on 8080 port, we can also check that on 8080 port if there is something is running. So there is a command that lsof dash I 80 so here is nothing shows that, that's mean that I don't have installed anything on port 8080. Okay, so that's why it's not working. But if we install all this, then yeah, the Jenkins runs on this localhost 8080. Wait some minutes, guys. Okay, and then we need to start the service. View services start, and successfully started the services. Then we can restart it, and we can update it. Okay, now it's showing that Jenkins already installed. So we can check Jenkins version, it is installed or not. Jenkins dash version. Oh, I don't know how to see Jenkins install or not. Meanwhile, we can check on this port Yeah, Jenkins is installed. So now we need to copy this URL, this path to our local machines, and we get the administrator password and we need to copy and paste it. So we can copy it. I need to clear the terminals, then I can say cat. So cat is basically printing out the password in this location. So I need to copy it and paste it here. Yeah, and password is look okay. Then there is a plugins. So whenever we need to uh, run the Jenkins, then there is a plugins and we need to install it. We can click on this as well. This we can use that. If you want to select the particular plugins to install it, then we can click here. But if we want to install the suggested plugins, so we can go with here. So I can click with suggested plugins and it's installing all the plugins of Jenkins with this that we need for to browse the Jenkins UI. So here is they are installing the Jenkins plugins, so we can see that the JSON path API, build timeout, these are all the plugins that are automatically installed by Jenkins itself. So and here is the version that we are using. So we can check that on terminal. We can went to um, Jenkins version command and see that how to see the okay. So don't think so. It's the yeah. So I think there is a we can list out the Jenkins and we can check here all the plugins are installing. Take some time. Meanwhile we can go on ChatGPT and check install how to see Jenkins version on Mac terminal. Can check okay. If you list, this is the command that we can click or LTS. This is not working. Yeah, so we can check that 2.5 to 8.3 is the version of Jenkins that we install, and it is the same one. So this is the command to check the list of the version of Jenkins that we install. So yeah, that's it for this video. I think the plugins are taking some time to install it, but yeah, I can show you um, what is the next step to see the Jenkins UI. Wait a minute. So this is the window we came up after installing the suggested plugins. Then we can give the anything, the name that is Umesh or anything. We can make it as an admin, password as an admin to remember it, the same password as admin, full name we can give as admin, you can give whatever you want, and email if you have anything, gmail.com. So save and continue, and yeah, and we need to get the URL to accessing the Jenkins on the localhost. Click on save and finish, and yeah, our Jenkins is ready and we can start it. So this is the Jenkins we install. Yeah, so here we can see that welcome to Jenkins screen. Here is the setting of the Jenkins, that is tools you want to install it. Here's the system notes. If we want to add the another agent, or agent means virtual machines, to work on the other tasks related to the stuff that is working on the next agent, we can add it. And is the users, we can add the users here to accessing the credentials, tools, system information. Yeah, this is it. We can create our first job here. This is the new item, we want which type of pipelines here, so we can give it like umesh, and then we can make it as a pipeline, then okay, click on ok, and yeah, here is the general information that we need to fill up. As a description, we can give the description here. We can use the GitHub projects, we can link in the project here. You can click on the poll SCM, how in how many minutes if the developer push the code in on GitHub, then in how much time it should be trigger it. So yeah, as soon as the developer push the code on GitHub, then the poll SCM trigger the Jenkins and see the what changes on GitHub, and we can build it by using that. So we can, so this is the cron expression for it. We can see that cron expression, we need to learn about it. So this is it. So every 5 minutes our pipeline should be run. So this is the that's every minute. So here is the cron expression, every hour, every day at 12 p.m 12 a.m, at 12 p.m, or whatever we want. So yeah, the cron expression have the 24-hour format. So if you want to run the pipeline as 2 a.m, then we need to set as a 14 here. uh, so yeah, that's it for this video, and we can see our Jenkins is up and running. We can set the new atom here. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.